Okay. Can you all hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So what I was saying that we'll first write the notes how to calculate logarithm and anti-logarithm. So this is what I have written, how to calculate log and anti-log. Uh, so first of all, for log, it's a okay logarithm. And let me write the full form. So for logarithm, there are two parts. I'll explain that. So this is characteristic part. Characteristic part. Characteristic part. So if the number, just to write down once, then you will understand what to do. If the number is greater than or equal to 1, if the given number is greater than or equal to 1, then characteristic equal to, then the characteristic equal to number of digits to the left of decimal minus 1, decimal minus 1. Okay, so let me first explain logarithm, how to calculate. The table is there, you can also see the board. So example, I am going to find out, suppose log of any number, log of suppose 48.06. Okay, can I start? uh, the rule which I have written just now, it is just to calculate logarithm. We will have similar symbol anti-log. We have also anti-log. That yesterday's formula. Those were not there in the class yesterday. You can see in page number 281. So there I had given the formulas for calculating log and anti-log. So I am going to explain how the logarithm can be obtained, because once you know this, that the topic will be very easy for you. Okay. Now in the logarithm, you see in the logarithm we get the answer. Suppose, don't write. Suppose we will get it 4.869. So here actually this characteristic part means the part before the decimal. That is the characteristic part. Okay. Suppose the answer is 4 point. Suppose you got in the exam 10.5. Okay. So here this 10 is the characteristic part. So I am basically saying how to find the characteristic part. The decimal part, which is called mantissa, MANTI. So this decimal part is same for both, and that one you will not take much time to understand. But if you understand the characteristic part, uh, then easily you will be able to find the logarithm. Because what happens, in exams, this table will be given with a question paper. So you need to find the log and anti-log from there. Now, I repeat it once again. Suppose you will get the answer like 3.569. So this 3 part before the decimal, this part is called characteristic. After the decimal, this part is called mantissa. So finding mantissa is not very difficult. Okay, so finding characteristic now. Now look at the rule. The characteristic part is if the number is greater than or equal to 1. So our number is 48.06, greater than or equal to 1. So actually what happens? Logarithm of negative number also we can find it. But that is not required in our syllabus, because we will be calculating all positive numbers. That's why I won't go for negative portion. We will be doing only the positive one. Now, if the number is greater than or equal to 1, so our number is 48.06, greater than 1. Then characteristic equal to number of digits to the left of decimal. You see here. This is the number. Left of decimal, how many digits are there? 2. Just you count 2 digits. Then minus 1. So 2, number of digits here, 2. Where? To the left of the decimal. This is very important. To the left of the decimal, we have 2 digits. So 2 digits, then subtract how much? 1. So what is the answer? 1 point. Is it okay? Okay, suppose one more number, if I do it, because I'll go together for this, you can also write down. Suppose you have one more number like,
Sir, what is the spelling of mantis?
what is the spelling of?
Mantis.
Mantissa, just a minute. It is, this is called Mantissa, Mantissa, Mantissa. Okay, and this portion is characteristic portion.
Characteristic part.
Got it? Okay. So, is it all right? So we have done the characteristic part. Now, suppose one more number we have. Let me explain it together. Suppose log of any number you can do it. Suppose log of 7.8. Okay, we are going to find it. Now, it will come some sort of decimal. Now, characteristic part is before decimal or left of decimal. How many digits we have? 1. So what you have to do by the rule? One digit. From this you have to do 1 minus. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. So this is the characteristic part ready. Now coming to the Mantissa part, that means after decimal. After decimal, for this you have to go to the table now. You all can see in your mobiles. I have shared in the groups. Now what you have to do? Remember the number 4806. Now decimals. See, decimals you don't have to consider at all. Now just you think of 4806 and go to the log table because I am finding log. So find out where is 46 on this column. 46. Is it 48 or 46? Sorry, 48. Sorry, 48. So you find out 48. Where is 48 in the table? Just a minute, okay? Sorry, 48. 48. Done? So in 48, what is the next digit? 48. 48. 0. Was it 06? Okay, 4806. Let me just a minute. Let me find out the table. I need to just a minute. 48.
Wait, sir. Yeah.
Okay, it will be very small here. I hope you can understand. See, the number was first you tell me the number 48.06. Now what you have to do, to get the decimal part, now you see in the 48 column. So this is your 48. It is very small. Okay, it cannot be shown otherwise it doesn't come. Now 48 is your 48. You found a number 48 in the log table. Now what is the next digit? 0. So in 48, 0. So what is the number? 6812. Listen, 6812. So up to first of all, always 2 digit. 48, then 0 column. Now we have left it the digit which one? 6. This 6 you have to see in the mean difference. Because 48, 0 you have to see up to here, the third digit. Now we have left it the digit which one? 6. So 6 here you see, this one 6. And in this 48th row, for 6, what is the number? Is it 5? So 48, 0, we got 6812. Now here in the mean difference 6, the last digit says mean difference. So in this, what is the number? 5. We just have to add it. What is the number? 6817, 6817. Simply you go to the log table and you write here 68. Is it okay? Understood now?
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes. So could you understand the characteristic part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you also see the log table over here? It's very small actually. It cannot be shown bigger than this. Can you see here?
Sir, can you do one sum again?
No.
From this.
Are you there in the WhatsApp groups that I have shared the table just now?
Yes, sir, I saw.
Okay. So in there, you go to the log table first. In there, go to the log table. Did you get a log table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the number was 48.06. Yes or no? You just let me know where you have problem. So what you do in the log table, look at this, the extreme left column, can you find the number 48? Here also you check it once, huh? Can you find 48? In the log table. See in
Yes,
the,
sir.
yes, 48. So you could found 48. Now for 48, what is the next digit? 0?
Yes, sir.
So in this 0 column, you see if it is visible. So in this
Okay,
0,
okay,
0
yes, sir.
column, so what is the number? 68?
1, 2,
6812. Okay, fine. Now after this, what is the next digit?
6.
6. So for this fourth digit, for the fourth digit, you have to go in these columns, you see, which is called mean difference. So could you find 6 there?
Yes, sir.
And come vertically from there and look at the number from 48. So what is the digit there? So look at this. How much?
5.
5. Is it 5? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you got 6812 from here. You got 6812 from here. There you
Plus
got 5. Just you add it. Just you add it. How much? 681?
7.
6817. And that is your required answer. So it will be 6817. You see, 1.6817. Is it clear here? Okay. I'll do one more example. Done? Then one you'll try yourself. Okay. Now next example you see. Here the characteristic part already explained. Why? Because it has only one digit. So 1 minus 1 0. Now you look at this 896.896. There are many students who make confusion. They start from here 896. It's not. It just have to count it from 7896 as a whole every number. So don't count it from 896. You just take 789. There you can ignore the point. So let's go to the log table again. 7896. Alright. Go it, try to find it. So it will be 7896. Ask me if you have doubt. 78. Try to do yourself. 7896. Okay, this time I can make it larger. Seven eight. How much it was? 7896. Wherever the point, doesn't matter. I think it was here. Yes or no? Okay. Now 78. In 78, which column first? 9 column. So 78 digit 9. So 9 column. Is the number 8971? Yes or no? 8. So let us write it 8971. 8971 plus. Now what is the last digit? So this last digit you have to see in the mean difference. So 6 is here. Now for this 78, is it 3? Just you add it. So how much? 897. Is it clear now? Is it okay? Anish, is it alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got it 8974. So let us directly write it 89. How much? 897. How much? 4. Okay. Now one thing before I conclude. Suppose you got it like that. Log 12.8356. Now the thing is that the limitation of logarithm table is, you must have seen, we can go, you can look at this, we can go like 7896, 78, then 9 column, then 6. After that there is no place to check. So that means we can check maximum for how many digits. So since in this one which I have written just now, this one, I have how many digits you see? 6 digits. You need to make it 4. How to make it 4? Round it off. Round it off. Yes or no?
So 12.80.
Yeah, it will be 12.8.
0.
No, this is 3. But this number, rounding of numbers. So since
Okay,
this is
12.84.
yes,
12.8.
since this number is 5, when you round off to the next digit, 5 or more than 5. So this is 5 now. So this 3 will become how much? 4.
4.
So it will be actually log 12.84. Okay. So if had it been 4, if it is 4 then
12.83.
3, it will remain same. If that means this number, if this number is greater than or equal to 5, then it becomes 4. If it is less than 5, that means like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, then 3 remains 10 only. 3 only. Done? Now, all of you try this last number. So it is 12.86. Try to find out. 12.86. Sorry, 12.84. Sorry, 12.84. Okay. First of all, characteristic part. Characteristic, how to do it? How many digits are there? So 2 minus 1, how much? 1. So it will be 1 point. Now where you have to see, you go 12th column for 12, 8 column. Find a number. I won't show you this time. It is
Sir, 1106.
okay. So just a minute.
1106.
Okay. 12, 8, right? So 12, 8. 12, 8. 12, 8.
1072, sir.
Yeah. So this one, you see, 12. 2 in 12, 8. Is it 1072? Okay, 1072. I think the last digit is 4. Okay, 4 mane eto. This one 4? Yes or no?
Plus 3, sir.
This one 14. Is it 14? So 14 you add it. So it will be like 6, 8, 0. Is it okay? 1086. Done. Is it okay, all of you? So it will be 1010. This is how the logarithm will find out. Okay. Now I'll go to anti-log because the formulas are anti-log of log. So this is done. Now let's start. See, I wrote the rules once for the characteristic part. It became easy. Mantissa part we can understand. And now the anti-log when you do this Mantissa part is same only. 68, 17. In a similar way, anti-log also will do 68, 17. So that is, but characteristic part is slightly different. Okay. So the reason of giving this is everyone can find this. Many people make mistake here. That is why I have given it a note. Right. So right, number 2, characteristic for anti-log. Because this is slightly confusing. Many people find anti-log characteristic in log, log characteristic in anti-log. So characteristic in anti-log. Anti-logarithm actually it is called. So we say in short anti-log. So characteristic in anti-log. Okay, I'll explain it. What is that? First you write it. If log x equal to y, then x equal to log y. Okay. Now, if the integral part, if the characteristic part of y is positive or 0 is positive, this is positive, p plus b or 0, then we place decimal point, after n plus 1 digits. From the left, in the number obtained from anti-log table. let's start. Here again, the Mantisha part will be same. All right, here again the Mantisha part will be same. Hmm. Oh, that one I'm sorry, x equal to x equal to, it will be antilog y. It will antilog of x will be antilog of y. So it will be antilog of y. Okay. Just 1 minute, huh? Can I start? I forgot to write this word. Say n. Okay. Now see first of all how to find antilog. So is it written? Because once you write it, while doing both log and antilog, you will not have any confusion. So this is antilog. How to do it for any number? So actually the antilog concept is this. We will have direct number. If suppose you look at this. Suppose 2 to the power m is equal to suppose n. Okay. Or suppose I make it much easier. Suppose 2 to the power m is equal to 3 is an example. Okay. Then when you remove m there, so it comes 3 to the power 1 by m. I hope you all know that. So to remove m, I think you have learned this in the other classes. So m we have to remove. Then what will do you know? It was 2 to the power m now. We have to multiply by 1 by m. We have to also multiply by 1 by m. Then what happens? You must know that m into 1 by m it will be, yes or no? So this will be 2 to the power 1 by m. Now these m and m gets cancelled. So what is left? 2 to the power 1 mana, there is only 1, 2. So 3 to the power 1 by. So what I said directly, when you remove the m here 1 by m comes. Getting it? Now same concept. Suppose log of, example only, not correct. Log of 4 equal to 12. Suppose, it's not at all correct. Log of 4 is suppose this. Then what you can do, 4 will be anti-log of 12. So when the log goes to the other side, it becomes anti-log. Shifting of the, so log, suppose, this is not at all correct anyway. So log 4 is 12 suppose. Now when this log we remove from here, just write 4. So log comes here as an anti, and the way m becomes 1 by m, log becomes anti-log. So this is actually the concept, but we don't need, we will have direct formulas, or we'll be putting direct formula for this. Right. Now suppose you write it anti-log of, let's try anti-log of suppose 4.8. This one we need to find out. 4 digits. If more than 4 digits, you will round it off. Is it okay? Let's start. Now what you have to do, anti-log of this you have to find out. The rule says if the characteristic part of y is 0 or positive. So anti-log of y. So in this anti-log number, if the characteristic part is positive or 0. So look at this. Which number I had given? 4. So this is the characteristic part. Is it positive or more than 0? Yes or no? More than 0. Less than 0 also there. That will not come because we will get all positive numbers here. Now, supposing this number is n. Then what you need to do? Then we place the decimal point after n plus 1 digits. I'll explain what is that. Then we'll place the decimal. The decimal we need to put where? After n plus 1 digit from the left in the number obtained from the anti-log table. So it means that first of all here we have to do the Mantisha part. That is the reverse process. So first of all what we'll do? We'll find the Mantisha part. Now how to find the Mantisha part? Same thing. Let me explain here. 48 will go, then 9, then 3. But this time in anti-log table. Go, start. We go to anti-log table, 48, then 9, 3. But there is a limitation. There is no 48. 0.48 is there. So everything you ignore. Just you go 4, 8, 9, 3. So I show it now. It's an anti-log table. It will be the anti-log table. Check it, huh? Anti-log table. Is it 4, 8? Okay, 4, 8. Just a minute. So ignore the decimal. Just you go 48. because I am explaining the easiest method that could be. There are many methods of doing log and anti-log. So today you are learning this. At home, if you go YouTube, you will get a different method. So many methods are there. Even by converting to exponential form also there. So I'm trying to explain in this. Hope you all understand. Now 48. Then say what? 48 digits are here, so it will help me. So first you set a number. 48, 4.8, 893. So ignore decimal. So you see 48, 9. 48. 9 is this one. How much? 3083. 3083. Then go to the mean difference. 3. How much? 2. So exactly same. Plus add it now. So 3085. So note the number 3085. Done now? So this part is similar. Now if I go to the table 3085. So I got it 3085. Now try to understand. Characteristic part. Now what you need to do is, what is this number? What is this number? 4. Now think this number as n. Then the rule is n plus 1. So this number is n. Then what? N means how much is this? 4. So it will be 4 plus 1. The rule says, you see, we need to put the decimal after n plus 1 digits from the left in the number obtained from anti-log table. That means you got the number now this. Since this number was 4, 4 plus 1 how much? You have to put the decimal after 5 digits. That means if you put here from the left. So your counting will start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no digit now. What you have to put? 0. Here you need to put the decimal. Okay? And putting decimal here is meaningless. So it is actually the number 30850. Could you understand? So if it is 4, I repeat it again, last part. So this is 4, so 4 plus 1 we got 5. Now the rule is you have to keep on counting from left. It's written there, left. So then you put the decimal after 5 digits. So if I put it here 1, if I put it here 2, 3, 4, no digit now, it will be here. So supposing now, tell me, suppose this number is, look at the board. Suppose this number is 2, then it will become how much? Where to put then? First, second, third. It will be coming here. Yes or no? Since digits were not there, since there is no sufficient digits, listen, last time. Since it is 4, it is 5 now? Yes or no? So where to put this? First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. There is no fifth place. We need to put the 0 and the point, and putting point there is having no meaning. Getting it? Is it clear? So actually the characteristic part here comes later. Okay? Try one more. Finding is easy from table. Problem is where? This getting the number. Okay? Write one more. Suppose anti-log of 2.0897. What will make first? How many digits are there? 5. What will make first? Convert into how many digits? 4 digits. Convert into 4 digits. So make it shorter. Shorter in the sense round it. Anti-log of say 20. No, this is 7 now. Look at the board. 2 point. See, we have to make it 4 digits. Now what is this number? More than 5. So 9 will become 10. That means actually 89 will become 90. Could you understand? Okay. Now, good, only this number has come. There is one more observation. Now, go. Where do you go? 20. See the table of anti-log. 29. Actually 0.20, I think. How much it is? 29. So, anti-log table. Just 1 minute. 29. Is it okay? 20. Yes. No. We'll see the whole number. 48 only we'll see. Actually, I should say no. Many people used to convert it 0.4893, then to the power 10 to the power something. That's why they do like this. Okay, they shift the decimal. There are many methods. So shifting it the decimal to that side. Okay, this decimal when you write it here, so it will become 0.4893 into 10 to the power 1 they do. Then they take 1. Okay, slightly different method is that. Okay, so I'm explaining the easiest and the direct one. So tell me once again, what is there? Number 2.090. So where do you have to see the method which you said? You look at this. Then there you have to see 0.20. Okay. Now you see in 20, then 9. So 20 means actually 0.20. 9 is this one. How much? 1618. So 1618. Now Mantis. So this is done. Now you see there is no mean difference. 0 is we see in this portion in the mean difference, but there is no mean difference 0. Since there is no mean difference 0, so nothing is there to edit. Simply it is 1618. Okay, there is no mean difference, so it will be simply 1618. Done. So 1618. Now, so it will be 1618. Tell me, where should I put the decimal now? This is 2. This is 2. Where will you put the decimal? 3. After 3. So 1, 2, 3. I think this is okay. Alright. Now we'll go for actual topic. Okay. So topics are easy, but you need to do little faster. Write one question. Okay. So log and antilog, everything is done. Let's start one question. There are 2 questions only. Question number 1. Now actually our topic starts. Find the geometric mean. Find the geometric mean, which is called GM. Okay, for the following. Find the geometric mean for the following. Done. So, I take numbers small, 140. 1408, 100, suppose 80. Small numbers I'm taking. Okay, then suppose 1200. Okay, 1208, and then suppose 247. Any numbers I'm writing. Okay, one more suppose the 3986. You're trying to find this. Okay, done now? Can I start? Okay, the formula was given yesterday. You see, those were not there. It is in page number 282. It is in page number 282. This is for ungrouped data. Okay, this is for ungrouped data. 282. 281. Yes or no? So for ungrouped data, the formula goes like this: GM equal to antilog of. It was the formula, direct formula, easy one. It's not difficult. Summation of x divided by n, and I equal to 1 to n. Summation of log x divided by n, I equal to 1 to n. Okay. Now one thing, remember, if question comes this, that your table will be provided. Okay. Now antilog. See how to do it. Antilog n. It's a simple initial things we will get it. Problem is why table is required, because this antilog we cannot find out using our calculators. This ordinary calculators will be given, that which one you are using. Okay, the scientific calculator is not allowed. That is why. Now n, look at this, how to calculate GM. N means how many numbers? How many numbers are there? 1 to 5. Yes or no? So just you write here 5. Done. Now log x, one by one you write it. Log x means the first number. You see summation of log x. That means log of this number, log of. So all these log you have to take and add it. That means it is log of 1408 plus, take log in all the numbers, log 180. Remember, log 180, there is no 3 digits, we can think of putting 0, plus log 1208 plus log 2474. Okay, done now? Then okay, so plus, what is the last number? Log 3986. Log 3986. So this is the formula. Okay, but problem is now we need to count. So what we'll do now, anti-log we don't have to do it right now because we should know the number from the middle, from the bracket. So this is 5 only. Alright. Now I'll show 1. Log of 1408. What do you have to do? 1408. Do you remember? So log of 1408. I'll show the first and the second number because it has 3 digits. So log of 1408. Log of 1408. Let us go. Log of 1408. Log table now, of course, not anti-log. 14. Log 1408. So the number was, so 1408 now? Okay, 14. So how to do it? 14 then 0. So 14 then 0. What is the number? 1461. 1461. Then what do you have to see? 8. 8 in the where? This portion. Last digit in this mean difference portion. So for 8, this one is 8. What is the number? 24. Just add it. 24. So it will be like 5, 8, 1485. Yes or no? So 1485. Now let's go again to the value 1485. So I got it 1485. Now tell me what next? What is the characteristic? Don't forget it. That's why when you get both confusing. So this is the Mantisha part. What is the characteristic before decimal? What to do? Oh my God. Yes? Who is this? 3. It will be 3 point. Did you forget? When you have 4 digits, digits only. Look at the board. That is what. This one. Number of digits to the left of decimal. Number of digits to the second slide. Number of digits to the left of decimal. Number of digits to the left of decimal. How many digits are there? 2 minus. But this number no decimal. In this number there is no decimal. You see here. In this number, is there any decimal? No. That means suppose you think of here. No decimal. Yes or no? So now left side how many digits? Minus 1. 3. So you got confused, right? So it will be 3.14. Done? 3.14 this number. Got it? Now, here it is 180. The problem is we can read this for 4 digits. So there are no 4 digits. You can think of putting 0. Actually not required. Say why? Actually this 0 is actually 180.0 we should do it, but it's not required. Say why it is not required? Because there is no mean difference column, there is no 0. So directly you can think of 180. 18.0. Find it. 18.0. 255. 2553. Plus of course. Say the characteristic part, not decimal part. Before decimal part. 3 digits now, so it will be 2 point. It is okay now. Keep finding. How many digits are there? So it will be 3 point. Right? Because 1 less than that digits before a decimal. So 3 point and rest you find it. Anish, you had a question. Is it okay now? One to 08. So in 1208. Anyone? 3.2 you understand? Yeah. point? 3, 0, 8, is it 0, 8? 0, 8? Okay. 0, 8, 0, 8, 2. Is it fine, all of you here? Okay, then you go to the next one. So this will be, since 4 digits, those who are still having doubt or join late, since there are 4 digits, it will 4 digits now, so you have to take one less, 3 point, 3 point. Then, yes, keep going. 24, what to do? 24, 7, then 4, split it like that. Fine, Kora? Fine, Kora? Huh? Good. Got it now? Okay, say. Huh? Okay, okay, no? Yes, 0 is not there, I think. That's what I told you. Okay, so it will be 820. 820, wait. 820, correct? Plus. Now, how many digits are here? 4. So once again, it will be 3 point. 3 point. Now say 24, 7, 4. Check it in the log table. Huh? 24, 7, 4. I just saw it for the last time because what I had. What is the number? 3, 4. Last tell me number. 3. Kiman asle number? 3, 4. 2, 4. Is it? 7, 8. 2, 4, 7, 8. So 2, 4. 2, 4, 7, 8. So this is 2, 4, 7, 8. Okay. Those who have joined late, you see 24 and 7 we see. 24 is this one. 24, 7. This is this one, no? 24, 7, 3927. So 3927 we need to write down. 39. Now go to mean difference 8. So this is here. For 8 we have to go to this. So 8 is in this one. This is 8. So is it 14? Yes. Oh, okay, it was 4, right? Okay, just a minute. So it was 4 as, so it was 4. Now for these 4 you have to go to the mean difference. 4 is here, 4 is this one. So for that 4 here is the number 7. Yes, done now. So this 7 we need to edit here, and it will be 3934. 3934. So 3934. 3.3934. Do first, complete the last one. So it will be once again 4 digits. So 3 point. Once again 4 digits. So it will be 4 digits now. So 3 point. Say. 6 0 6,000 6. Yes or no? Is it correct? All of you here? Okay. Now add all the numbers. Now calculations are easy. Add it. Means after dividing by 5. No, it will be 3 plus 3. It will be like 10 something. It will be. Oh, 16 question. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. So let me erase it once. After adding, yes or no? After adding the numbers. Okay. So I'm just doing here. So I'm doing here, all right. So it will be anti-log of how much it is after adding? 2178. After adding 16 point is whole divided by 5. Again divide it. And anti-log how much? 3.2436. Correct now? So this is a basic calculation that you can do it this. Okay. But now once again, how many digits have come? Total? No, total 5. So make it 4. Terminate 3, 2, 4. These 3 you make it how much? 4. Okay. So it will be, because you have to make 4 digits. So it will be like antilog. So 3.244. We need to round off. Those who are having doubt, we are just rounding off the number. Because here in this, we must have only 4 digits. So, can you find out antilog? This time do you try? So what do you have to see? 3244. Check it. Now antilog table. 3244. I just so it. So here 3244 antilog table. So that means 0.32. Oh, just a minute. 32. How much? 32. 3.2. So this number will check it, So for these, go to 32 and 4. So actually 0.32. So 0.32 is this one, 4 is this one. How much? 2109. Then mean difference 4. So this is 4. Mean difference. So here, that number is it 2? Yes. So just add it. So it will be 2111. Am I correct? 2111. Done now? So let's write it now. 2111. So we got it 2111. Now tell me, where should I put the decimal? After 4. Since this is 3. So decimal have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Here that means. And since there is no digit, no need to put only. This is the required answer. Okay? So most of the things are explained. But I'll do two more questions too. Okay? I'll do 2 more questions tomorrow so that everything will be alright. Now, those who are having doubt, okay, you ask me about the log and anti-log tables. Okay? Alright? Thank you.